Hey guys, welcome to Clarity Chart Analysis. In this channel, I will be interpreting, analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position on the price market chart, and also using the market structure to predict the next possible move of the market. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money on both directions of the market, you want to know our current position on the price market chart, this channel is for you. Please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to be notified anytime I drop a new video. In this video, I will be analyzing the Stellar token, which has a symbol of XLM. At the point of recording this video, the Stellar is ranked number 27 on the coin market cap and is trading at the rate of $0.07307. It has a market cap of 1.9 billion and a fully diluted market cap of 3.6 billion. And Stellar has about 26.1 billion XLM in circulation. So guys, what's the Stellar token? The Stellar token is a peer-to-peer decentralized network created in 2014 by a Stellar Development Foundation or Stellar organization. The network officially launched in 2015 with the purpose of connecting the world financial system and ensuring a protocol for payment provider and financial institution. The platform is designed to move financial resources swiftly and reliably by minimal cost. Stellar links people, bank, payment processors, and allows users to create, send, and trade multiple types of crypto. The basis of the network is a native digital currency XLM or Lumens. XLM acts as a intermediate currency for operation and is also used to pay transaction fees. How it works: the protocol converts money in a few seconds first into XLM and then into requested currency. The Stellar payment protocol is based on distribution ledger technology, an open source development community owned and distributed by the community. The crypto asset of the Stellar platform helps with cross-border transaction, overcoming the problem of high fees and low procedure. XLM is more focused on assisting individuals transfer money than they are with institutions. Thus, Stellar offers access to financial system and people can send money at low cost and prominently around the world. So guys, you can get the XLM token on Coinbase Exchange, on Binance Exchange, on Bitstamp Exchange, on KuCoin Exchange, on BitHub Exchange, on Kraken Exchange, on Bitfinex Exchange, and any other exchange you get your favorite altcoins. So guys, welcome to the Stellar USDT price market chart. I already mapped out my market structure. I map out my major structure with color yellow, which is my daily time frame, and I map out my minor structure with color red, which is my 4 hours time frame. So guys, the major purpose of this video is for me to analyze the market structure, tell us our current position of the price market chart, and also use the market structure to predict the next possible move of the market. But first guys, let's have this behind our mind that after every break of structure, there's always a pullback. So guys, I'll be using these two tools to show us the move on the market structure. I'll be using the red tool to show us the bearish move, and I'll be using the green tool to show us the bullish move. So guys, the Stellar token was launched on Binance Exchange around June 2018, and it was launched on the price of $0.318. And guys, the first most significant break of structure we saw on the market structure was a break of structure to the downside. The bears took price from 0.3539, broke structure to the downside, and took price back to about 0.0710. And guys, remember, after every break of structure, we should expect a pullback. Sure, we got the pullback. The boost came back, took price from that price, and pushed price back up to about $0.1598. Guys, expecting more break of structure to the downside because the higher high that gave us this lower low was not taken out during this pullback. So guys, the bears came back, took price from that price, and broke structure to the downside and took price back to about $0.0421. Expecting a pullback guys, sure we got a pullback. The boost came into the market, pushed price back up to about $0.0893. So guys, from that point, the bears came back, broke more structure to the downside, and took price back down to about $0.0257. And guys, expecting a pullback, sure we got a pullback. The boost took price from that point, broke structure to the upside, and took price back to about $0.1194. So guys, if you notice On our market structure, we've been seeing a series of higher high and higher low, and we'll be seeing more break of structure to the upside. I'll just skip to the last structure at the topmost part and continue the analysis from that point. So guys, from this point, we see the boost took price from $0.3571, broke more structure to the upside and took price back to about $0.7975. Guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, we saw a pullback. The bears took price from that $0.7975, broke structure to the downside and took price back down to about $0.1955. And guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The boost took price from that point and pushed price back up to about $0.4611. And guys, as long as the lower high that gave us this lower low was not taken out during the pullback, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. The bears came back, took price from that point, broke more structure to the downside and took price back down to about $0.1619. And guys, from that point we expected a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The boost took price from that point, pushed price back up to about $0.2392. And guys, as long as this lower high that gave us this lower low was not taken out during the pullback, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. The bears took price from that point, broke more structure to the downside and took price back down to about $0.0963. So guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The boost took price from $0.0991, pushed price back up to about $0.1387. And guys, the bears came back, broke more structure to the downside, took price from that point and took price back down to about $0.0714, breaking more structure to the downside. So guys, if you notice now, this is the most recent break of structure we saw on our major structure. Expecting a pullback. Guys, we've not seen a pullback. For us to be sure that we're on a pullback, this swing that gave us this lower low need to be taken out. We need price to trade above this swing. If not, guys, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. So guys, let's move to our lower time frame. Let's analyze our minor structure. So guys, on our minor structure, guys, remember that our minor structure is trading between our major structure lower high and this lower low. The first significant break of structure we saw on our minor structure was a break of structure to the downside. The bears took price from $1389, broke structure to the downside and took price back down to about $0.0790. Guys, expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The boost took price from that price and pushed price back up to about $0.1003. Guys, expecting more break of structure to the downside because the higher high that gave us this lower low during the pullback was not taken out. So guys, you saw the bears again came back to the market, took price from that point and broke more structure to the downside, took price back down to about $0.0713. So guys, currently now we just saw another break of structure to the downside on our minor structure. So guys, are we on a pullback phase? For us to be confirmed that we're on a pullback phase, we need price to trade above this swing because it was this swing that gave us this lower low. So currently now, guys, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. Price have not traded above this swing. So guys, currently now on our minor structure, price is trading between this lower high and this lower low here. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think from this point price is trading, price will just continue breaking more structure to the downside, giving us lower low and lower highs? Or guys, do you think from this point price is trading, price will have to come back to this supply zone 2 or supply zone 1 before we continue seeing more break of structure to the downside? But guys, remember, if price should trade above either this swing or this swing, then we are now confirmed that we're on a pullback on both our major structure and on our minor structure. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like and put on the notification to be notified anytime I drop a new